This manager has wasted another year of failure, another flat out start down year of failure from top to bottom from this manager. The tyranny from this manager. It is a sight to behold. This is not natural. I keep trying to tell. I know it sounds crazy when I say that, but I keep telling y'all this is not natural to watch what we're seeing here. This is not the natural order of football that we're watching. People can think I'm crazy. And Kieran, you're right. It needs to be studied. This is wild. This is wild what we're seeing here. Another goalkeeper, 4 left backs. We don't even have like-for-like replacements around here, decent like-for-like replacements. Mikel Merino today. Red card. We have players out there on yellow cards, left and right. Then the manager gets mad in the press conference. Oh, man, it's 6 times. Top Gooners are going to say, oh, see, it's 6 times. It's 6 times that they've mistreated us 6 times. We've been screwed by PGMOL 6 times. See, the manager's with us. No, it's a discipline issue. That's down to coaching. And I know this as a former coach. My players rarely got red cards. I thought maybe 2 the entire time I coached, and I coached for over 15 years. Discipline. Stay on your feet. That's basic stuff. If you go back to Mikel Merino, the yellow card that got him off, look at he's stumbling into the tackle. He was never going to make that tackle. This is basic stuff. These are basic things we're seeing here. Ball out of bounds, comes right back in. Crossed in, header, first goal. 4 men in the box. Nobody's saying open. Hey, I'm here. Pass the ball. Chance wasted. He didn't bring that up today, though. He didn't bring that up in the press conference. How many times have we seen just basic stuff this year, y'all? Just the basic stuff. Basic stuff. They're having grab ass out at training practice. You see it. They show them all week long, just goofing off, laughing, playing, hugging each other. That's not a proper practice when you're trying to win a title. How many times do we can go back to Arsene Wenger and these guys in mud, pouring down rain, people slide tackling. How many times we think about fights at practice between players? Everything's happy, have a good time, laugh and play. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. This manager is out here. He has a philosophy that he wants to instill in these players and lock in and would not change it under no circumstance. But then you see, like today with Martinelli, you see shades of what if? What if he changed his philosophy? What if he moved him over there? What if he did that early in the season? What if he brought on Kieran Tierney on Wednesday? I keep telling y'all the man is anti-success. All he's concerned about is building his resume for his next job when he finally does leave this football club. You'll see he will not care about this football club the way Top Gooners think he will when he leaves. Watch what I tell y'all. Watch what I tell you all. If for all of these so-called Top Gooners that keep running around here talking about, all these clubs want him, all of this and that, well, Real Madrid didn't approach him. Who did Real Madrid win and got? Regardless of what you think, they went and got Xabi Alonso. They went and got him. They said, nope, y'all can keep him. See, Arteta thinks he's more than what he is. He's just an average man that is getting an opportunity he'll probably never get again. And I'm telling you all, I said it on Friday on with Aaron and the guys. I'll say it again right here. Failure is very expensive. And this ownership is starting to realize that. Failure is very, very, very expensive. You buy cheap, you buy twice. You buy cheap, you buy twice. You buy cheap, you buy twice. This manager thinks he is world class. Take off the C and the L. He is world ass. That's what he is. This manager is not good enough. This manager is not good enough. For him to throw the players under the bus today when we went down 2-0 and he wants to go, oh, you should have started out like that. No, that's your job to have them ready to go. If those players should have been motivated soon as they did the Guard of Honor, you should have been talking about, we need to go kick their ass today. And if we don't kick their ass, you're walking home. That's the motivation was right there. That's what the Guard of Honor was for, to motivate you to whoop their ass. And instead, what happened? We were getting our ass kicked the first 20 minutes of that game. This is how I know the man is not prepared to coach. There's no way you do a Guard of Honor and then you come out like that. There's no way. They're mentally tired. They don't want to hear the voice. It's time for a new voice. These players need a new voice. They need something different because most of them have heard the same exact thing for 4 to 5 years. And when you can't get your message through to your players after 4 or 5 years, really, we're at the stage now up under him where you've been coaching long enough, and anybody that's in the chat that's a coach will agree with me on this. If you've been coaching for 4+ years, 5 years, the team should be on autopilot. You shouldn't even have to talk because your philosophy is instilled and is working. You should be seeing it play out and then just making adjustments here or there. Instead, this coach is having to rip up stuff all over the place. 4 left backs. And nothing to play for. You're not even trying to go for the game. You're not even trying to say, you know what? We're going to take the piss out of Liverpool. We're going to crash the party today. You know Newcastle's breathing down your back. You know that game's a second place 6-pointer, if that's what you want to call it. Because that's what y'all hung on to. These top goons hung on to, oh, it's league finish. Well, league finishes next week. It's getting worse by the week with this manager. Out of everything, it looks like a house that's in the ghetto with no roof. This is what the football club looks like. We are struggling. And somebody said it during the broadcast. If United or Spurs, whichever one wins, they're immediately catapulted back in the Champions League competition. Meaning they can go out and buy players and spend money. We're in trouble. Look at people are going on about Nottingham Forest's owner today. Look at where they were. Look at where they are. He's on the pitch. Nottingham Forest fans should be like, oh man, at least he gives a damn. He's on the pitch. Hey brother, what we doing here? Yeah, we qualified for Europe, but this ain't good enough for considering where we was at. That's what you got to have. You got to have somebody holding the manager accountable. This manager he's out of control. He's saying what he wants to say. He doesn't care what nobody thinks. Look how he treated the young lady this afternoon. The disrespect.
The way he treated the one on Wednesday.
The one on Wednesday as well. Anita. The disrespect. Nice as she is. The disrespect.
Yep.
This manager is out of control. And I'll say it again. What you are seeing at this football club is not natural. This is not natural, ladies and gentlemen. You don't spend 800+ million, and then you have absolutely nothing to show for it. Not even the Carabao Cup. Not even a Carabao Cup. After all of this, after all of last year, because all I kept hearing at the end of this time last year, wait till next year, wait till next year, wait till next year, wait till next year.
Patrice ever fucking told us.
Wait till, hey, he's going to have his pieces. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be cooking. Wait till he get his pieces. Wait till he do this. Wait till he do that. Wait till he do this. Wait till he do this. Wait till he do that. Year before last, wait till he do this. Wait till he do this. Wait till he do that. City. Liverpool's falling off. Chelsea. Let's laugh at Chelsea. Ha, ha, ha. Look at United. Ha, 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 ha. And then look at Arsenal. This year, look at Arsenal. Nothing to show for it. Not anything. Zero. Zilch.